Hi everyone. Image consultancy has been a wonderful journey for me. I was doing a regular 9 to 8 job when I came across the advertisement. Being a master's in pure sciences from Delhi University, I always thought there were limited options available for me as a career. So when I came across this ad, the tagline that touched me somewhere was an alternative career, being an entrepreneur. Well, I had been a speaker, a public speaker, in fact, a motivational speaker since my college days. So I thought probably this is a platform where I can give a try to my passion. I still remember the Saturday evening when I landed at ICBI Southex office, and that moment was it. I believe at ICBI the positivity is contagious. They somehow transmit it to your soul the moment you enter their office. So when I entered their premises, that was the moment I decided that I will go for it. I remember my father asking me, "Why do you want to leave your regular job and a handsome salary?" And my answer was, I want to give a try to my passion, whether I can make my passion as my profession. And secondly, I want to do something of my own. I don't want to be answerable to anyone. I want to start up something of my own. So I started with my ICBI's journey. It was 1 year back when I started off with it, and being from a science background, I had no idea about marketing, fashion industry, though clothing had always been a passion or an interest. So the journey was not easy. It was an experiential learning. It was a learning at each day, every moment. And at ICBI, this journey became really easy because everybody was so helpful, was so coordinative, that it never came across that I was not a part of it. I always thought that whether actually I was always meant to be a part of it or this is something me. So I started off with my journey. Today I'm a successful image consultant and a soft skill trainer. At ICBI, I was being taught not just about the image components but even about the soft skills. And the soft skills was something that I had been doing since long, being a motivational speaker. So making my passion into a profession, this transition was not easy, but still ICBI made it successful for me. Today I go to corporates, I go to a lot of government organizations for my sessions, and till today my dad still asks me, okay, how much are you earning? So the earning becomes secondary after a moment because there's no end to it. The more you give in, the more you actually get. Image consultancy is not just about good looks. It's a holistic, or rather a mature development for being your true self. It is being looking authentic as per your own roles and goals, being your true self as well as appropriate. We have to walk the talk, we have to look whatever we are doing, and that's what we do being an image consultant. I believe it has been said very correctly, you only get to live once, so don't regret. And thankfully, because of ICBI, I will not have any regrets in my life because actually I am enjoying what I am doing. I am not answerable to anyone, I am an entrepreneur, and I am actually following my passion. And somewhere down the line, it feels good when I give back to society. Being an image consultant and a soft skill trainer, it's not just what I'm doing for myself. There are a lot of things which I do for the society. So actually it has been said very correctly that I will not be regretting my this life, and thank you ICBI for this moment.